magazine, an educational purposes only channel. No children.
Good afternoon, Grummy. I ain't see you standing there. Doing what you're good at. Watching me fucking work. Damn it. Woo. We're breaking records today. I think it's fucking 84 degrees. Humidity's low, 42 degrees. We can't burn or nothing. We dry. Whew. Well, since you're standing there doing fucking nothing, I might as well show you around. Let me get you up off there. I had to hit everybody's thing with a little wall. Everything was wilted as shit a little while ago. My Brussels sprout, my little trellis for my cukes. I'll get that all straight later. I still got quite a shit show. Hey, I went and picked up some cukes this morning. I had some running to do. Got some cukes for the ladies. Burpless. 9 to 10 inch fruits. Yeah, the girls can drool over that shit. I can't do nothing for it. God damn it. Everything shrinks when you get fucking old. Everything does good right here in this one spot. That Brussels sprout's bigger than the other three. All right, moving on along. I ought to cut that damn butterfly tree way the hell back. Fuck it. I'm out of gas. I'll just leave it alone. Oh yeah, let me take you around this way. Trying to get my shit show. I mean, I still got a mess. Fucking clover everywhere. When I was raising my quail, I would leave my door open and put these in the door. Keep the cats from getting in there. Hell, I'm gonna get those screens out of there. I can wrap some pots with that. That one's waiting on Charlie Brown. Yeah, they already perking up. They were wilty as hell. They damn squash. They're telltales. You know, they tell you when shit's thirsty. They be wilting like a motherfucker. Big boy. Big boy. Zucchini. I think that's a red and green bell. I ain't sure. It's either that or jalapeno. These are yellow crooknecks. Another big boy mater. More yellow crooknecks. Another Brussels sprout. I think last year I kept calling them asparagus. Brussels sprout. Couple jalapenos. Some okras. And my cassava plant came in yesterday. She ain't looking all chippy, but I think she'll come on around. We'll see how it goes. I'm kind of pushing that for my zone. And they do better further down south, but I ought to be able to get it done here. Unless the fucking Gemini lying to my ass. I don't trust no damn AIs any damn way. Got one more tomato plant to get potted up. Nothing in these yet. I broke a twig on my plum tree. So I went ahead and threw it in this damn thing with the American Beauty berries. Maybe we'll get a root out of it. I don't fucking know. Nothing in these yet. Those are zucchinis. Oh, these are jalapenos. There's the bell peppers. Yeah, I lied to y'all. I'm gonna probably have to up pot calves into some 1-gallon pots here shortly, and because they're gonna have to, I'm probably gonna bring them out here. So hurry up and show me who's who. Hopefully we got a female out the bunch, but I lied to y'all when I said the biggest one was gonna go in a 15-gallon pot. I got three grummies with swinging balls and one split tail. You know who's getting that 15-gallon pot. What can I say? I'm sorry, brothers. It is what it is. Yeah, I'll be beating Kay's bitch up in there, I promise you. Oh my goodness. Whew. So much to do. Cut back my damn rose bush some too. Cutting back everything, get away from a little scrogging area. I think I get the plum tree far enough back, it'll be all right. Whew. All right, I'm fucking hot. Starting to ramble. Have a fantastic fucking day. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.